School bus.
School bus.
Yes. You see, until the other day, especially and thanks to the national government, NGCDF, okay.
National Government Constituency Development Fund. Yes. NGCDF.
Thanks to NGCDF, shukuru nyingi muno nishigotete kugia bathi.
Yes.
Yes. Kwe de shukuru sitiare nyingi siare bathi.
Thukuru iria ciarĩ bathi matuko ma tene ri.
Yes.
Ni mathukuru mane metagwo manene.
Yes.
Na muno maria metagwo high.
Yes. Taunie ngĩingira iegori. Cukuru ciothe. Cie gatagati ka haria sentimiri. Guthie nginya G3. Gukinya nginya kangi mahai. Erio yothe na Njũmbĩ. Etiga Njũmbĩ re ya Njũmbĩ hai. Ha gĩtugĩre mwena ũyũ ũngĩ wothe. Tire cukuru yarĩ bathi. Yes. The nearest school that had a bus was Gathaiya Girls High School, Njũmbĩ High School, and I think Kangema
High.
Yes.
No, was you the high?
High.
Mazukuru mane metagwo high nimo mari bathi.
Yes. KGHS. Wasigirigano ne bathi yo. Gathaiya Girls High School. Yes. Leo tuonaga hivyo tukaga drama na bikafuzi yo cia kuwa ruti ya gututa na gerani. Bikafuzi ya kiandarua. To magata hasi.
Tumo magari ta hasi.
Acha magira muno akwe horozi. Aisohi. Modo gwetwo Kano Ngoni. Now is a full Kano. Yari left na rule is a full Kano. No akwe horozi wa size yake senge.
Iyo riu ni mwako borage.
Wito wakwa actually stage ya iegori. Ya hithitwo na haria kianda pio muranga andu batikone. Tondu tuingira pika vuye na kiandarwa. Eto magata hasi.
Riu ndio gutiga nginya rami.
Na igagwo form. Rami umeko. Ayo omo form. Riu props ito cia drama ikohererwo iguru. Pale tu ona rimwe gwa kinyiri andu tukira riu senge atiriri. Ndagatuingiragie guthini.
Props ya drama ciohetwo hama iguru.
Hama iguru.
Kehana ngari irathi thoko.
And then to marry. And ironically we used to wear white shirt. Rokongo. Riu heire tumatu ya macuka. We humbire. Riu twana ta mundu athike nyuthi.
Chati ni kagie giko.
Yes. School bus na ciore. Cukuru iria ciarĩ ri. There was some tremendous respect and still I think there still is tremendous respect ya dereba wa bathi ya thukuru.
No, dereba wa bathi ya thukuru mahana madithi.
Yes. One, they were the custodians of road discipline. Yes. I assume it's still the situation. Dereba wa thukuru. Ona itura no eguti itura guti mundu tamenya dereba wa bathi.
Tondu kaingi maeko me locals.
Yes. Aigua geitheka wa jeri.
Nire na uru.
Akahituka furio kaigua ucio ni okua ciana cia hai. Ucio ugura muona ri ni oterebaga bathi ya hai. Musugi wa hairi. Yes. Na no guo uno kagia nderi.
Tondu nacio thukuru ni kimente na gangari wega.
Yes. Iyo no uno kagia wa nduhu. Nduona ucio eto mucoki.
Ucio ri.
Yes.
Ucio ne kuite e mutisukaga.
Ni mutisukaga. Na ndago atire. Dereba wa thukuru cukuru ya kinya kugia bathi. Interview ekagwo I think 2 days. Ukiuka una history ya matatu
kanso
kwenda sana. And that is the only time one of the few times akoino mai na dominance.
Araire dereba ito wa high school ale mukurino etagwo kamwera.
Akorino nio mako, you know, akorino ri. Ni mehokagirwo mundu ucio ri. Ndukaigua ati ni akundire na arutwo. Yes. Riu wona bathi ciothe. Tari tuthiete drama festival. Wona akorino macokanire ire hau. No eciria ni agendi.
Ubere ndereba cia thukuru.
Yes. Na mundu ngari yao ya thukuru ya ina ndereba mukurino moko iguru. Ithengio igaithi. Na kurino acio matiendaga puss.
No, there were no nonsense.
You see, ndereba wa bathi ya thukuru ri. Niwe he mitha ĩtagwo ya mũgambo. Tara father atare kuori. Father uri uratwarithia mitha aheo mitha yake ya mũgambo. Yes.
Kana collect on behalf of the priest.
Absolutely. Riu ndereba niangĩaheirwo ciana cia thukuru na mũgambo wa principal. When you see him, you see
the principal.
Yes. And you will not misbehave.
You can't misbehave.
Yes. He will deal with you.
Na wenda kudiru nawe ina conventional mana ta mwalimu.
Yes. Niwona ameiga rwere agatua ro chamio rogirine
agafura rogiri
akahingura na huko thutha akoria nani huyo ametaja hiyo kitu. Which one?
Na ni hii dirisha ya pili.
Nani ametukana huyo mjojo tumepita hapo akamuita jina baya. Na adrenaline mwana muthiete ihenya. Ukieta kamera Funda.
Dereva kaigua.
And some other heavier terminologies depending on your background. Dereva kameiga rwere.
And your morals.
Let me tell you. Ni ukori huo. Na muikara umweterere mutumia ucio aunukie kanema mumu apologize. Driver was powerful.
What are you?
One chukuru wakwa ragia chuko ta icio. Karibe saitani we mwene. No, they were very strict disciplinarian.
Very.
Yes.
Na dereva wa thukuru ri.
Yes.
Muri arutwo mutiri undu mungiamwirire.
Nothing. You had to actually mwamu approach very kindly. Yes.
He will take no orders from you.
Yes. How dereva toy nake weto mucokiri. Tondu la jile thukuru ito ya yego back there ni ri. Diari na andu akuma kuraihu. Tuthiete kundu ri. Kwe locals. Ara me boarding. Mamuragia tu na gitio kinene. Akinya hao njari atithie o hani ageithio dirisha ine tiume
we dirisha ine.
Yes. No neo marigo maya
cia kiri bwega.
Never mind, those things would be shared communally. Yes. Atithagia agakwe 1 minute
ugeithio
ahuraho ni beep. I don't know they were communicating guo bakora mundu ho mutumia marigo makondo no urathoma kawara yati asega tarugama. School bus driver and then maheago allowance.
Yes.
Acio matiare ya Broadway na soda.
Ucio nĩ abangagwo.
Nĩ mwamuona ala to the peak.
Inyumu gatena soda ri.
Yes.
Ndari wa itariria soda.
And you know, in some schools the driver had a uniform ya thuti. Yes. Na kiratu gia Sahara to nikio gitani na goneke. The pedals. And they're always very neat, very disciplined, and the timekeepers.
Ndĩrecirwo na interview igĩkwo rĩ.
Yes.
Discipline nĩ kĩndũ kĩmwe kĩaroragwo mũno hĩndĩ ĩyo.
Yes.
Ya mwandĩkwo nĩgetha ũtuĩke ndereba wa thukuru.
Actually ngwĩciria ndereba wa thukuru akĩandĩkwo rĩ. Ethagĩrĩrwo maũndũ mothe ta cibũ.
Yes. Kũhũngĩrĩrwo kuma na mũciĩ.
Even your family line kana nĩ mũrĩpo ũcio rogi.
Na mĩtugo mĩrũngĩrĩru.
Yes. Your family tree. Na most likely wakora ndereba ũrĩa wandĩkwo rĩ. Ũkaigua ona mũrũ wa nyina rĩ. Nĩ reverend. Yes. Nĩ marĩ mũthikabu kwao. Ndio mũndũ ũcio araikwo aumĩte kĩ? Mũthingi nĩ mũndũ. Yes.
Kana he kũndũ andĩkĩtwo like this makambuni maya ng'ũ.
Yes. No gacoka oro hau rĩ. Ũkajanjwo hakiri ciaku kana ciũĩ kũndũ nja ya Mũrang'a.
Because you would travel a lot.
Yes. You would take the children to Mombasa. They would want to find out if you know how to get there.
Na hindi gutiari Google Maps.
Uruteko. Okaboko rio misia mtu haha eku. Animal orphanage. Yes.
Bomas.
The Jogo House. Wagedhomo. Yes.
Lake Nakuru.
Yes.
Lake Bogoria.
Okagate. Kaiwa ndafaga. Bogoria ungetuika ndiganya kahura inoka.
Weweri.
Saja.
Rio akuwa kahua.
No, there were a lot of factors to look. Ona mwake makaga. You see, I do not remember one time. Dereba witu wa thukuru. Aoririe njira.
Me too.
I have never seen that.
By the way, I have never seen
anywhere. I have never seen that. That is how good they were. Yes. They would never, they knew their way around.
Yes.
Man, under the voice of the media, Kufara. Yes. Kufara don't Dagonagia Jera. Yes. On the way out there, Bosa Horia Kajamokau.
Google.
Here we are, Horia Kajamokau. Can't go to the way. Let me tell you. School bus driver. And I hope they still command that respect.
I think they still do.
I think they do because the Negiona is drop. They will talk about the driver. Yes.
Na direciria wira ucio ndwari miaka ya retire.
Well, you see, undu ucio no ina goodwill. Yes. As long as you are capable, they would maintain you. On a faredi, dereva yo ka faredi. Akarugama na arimu. Let me tell you. Kile modo ogeriganirwo dereva wao wa thukuru bus. Yes.
Nobody.
Wale ambao mlisoma shule bila school bus tuwiani ladhi. Tuwiani ladhi sababu sasa hatuwezi badilisha hayo. Hizo tukiingia yegoli kutiana school bus. My late brother Chris Pinire nema kidetio harambe cia miaka 3
cia kugura bathi.
Yes. And maumire maumandithe bayo kiria January.
Sanfair.
No, tanero de macha gaba Yesu mimpuna ndo ya tufera.
Egakwa umite.
Ndakura Mr. Joroge aki ena school bus iyo egiuka. Mainale majithie gucanga na gwokete nginya harambe igire cia kamotho. Matiathire nayo.
Na maidio na itho no twacangire mbeca cia bathi.
Yes.
Ndacokire guka twarikia form 4
Oscania.
Riu mbeca cia thutha uyu.
Yes.
Riu ithuĩ tuli tosheka tu na ile musairi kwa.
No, heri. There's a time you struggle muno cukuru kugura bathi.
No, a real struggle.
It would even take 6 years.
No, gweka gwa harambe miaka hakuhi 10.
Nginya aciari nĩ manjagia kuga rĩu headmaster aratongio nĩkĩ?
Mbia cia bathi.
Ati arakire nginya na mbia cia bathi.
No, thukuru nĩ ciacangaga ihinda iraihu mũngĩkaigania mbia cia bathi.
Ndĩrakwĩra mũngĩgathiĩ nĩ General Motors. Ati gũtuĩke ngari nĩ oyu. You would even have like arutwo mathie from 1 nginya 4 na bado. Yes.
Na gũkera oti ĩngĩ.
Uthiĩte na baraguga makaire ngari tu agũra bani mĩaka na ngari.
Rĩu tũrutĩte mbia nyingĩ.
Nguire. It is.
It's life.
It's life. Dear, there are things people take for granted.
Like what?
Especially the younger generation, my Gen Z, mato ineke tuko tu obsessed na to tumoro ogwo. To tutiamenyerete ruogo. You see beef registre. Nesio adwa ruogo aria makoro expert hindi yothe kurathondekwo budget ri. Morio kana heke ndo giatigara hatia mundu gatiri. Ni wariganio ne refreshment. Well, never mind. Don't go refreshment. It's just soda and water.
The refreshment.
The refreshment is growing up. We used to consume them the old school way. Yes. Wakunoro shuva. Okamia keria. Yes. Na kuriga no cia nani ni kwa jari he ndo makiragia shuva he. Okay, you have on the theater access. Ikaupana ke
na manioro.
Then somewhere along the line, depending on how far from civilization you were, Mogioka stro.
The stro.
Tisiate neruogo.
Lesia thutha muno na thutha wa meloni.
Yes. Thutha wa meloni.
Yoka thutha wa meloni.
Teneri. Onaruogo tiraithio gia koriria ati mundu mukawa aranyua soda na ngirathi.
Ate na ngira soda.
Ni omegambie kudu.
Soda ni okunurirwo.
Yes.
Umeinekereria na mucuba.
Yes. Na nere wamenyo ugo na mucuba ri. Etude kale jiu kwererukwo maita mai.
Maita maigi.
Ni kala Kenya soda mundu. Yes. Well, soda was you know, there's a time soda. Ona wera gore weka weka soda. Ona kindu githe ni ungiagura ke.
Actually, reward ya ciana.
Yes.
Yale soda.
Nego kugurira ke.
Soda.
Yes. Ona kwendo bana hika kiugo ke.
Soda.
Na shipo.
No, soda was used to lure people into.
No, there's a time soda was almost legal tender. It was almost currency. It was true. True shoka thutha muno.
Ah, true de cia thutha muno.
No, na shoka ari. Some old school hardliners would find the process painstaking.
Asia gucia soda na true.
Acio no muthi urugongori. Athuria kuma miaka 40 matiendaga
kunywa soda na true.
Ni mona we wana. Acio no
and very demanding.
Ona kwemera andu aciri. Na ora kinywa soda na true ta muhiki niki. Never mind, they take keg with the straw. Straw kwa keg ni nyingi.
Yeah, ego ikombere.
Yes. Straw de no katene. Acio no ngiokie Nairobi. Ugururu soda handu ina straw ri. You used to carry the straw with you as a souvenir.
Yes.
Uria mundu thia Mombasa woka na eta cowrie shell. Yes. Ya guthikiria iria.
Guthikiria iria. Useless.
Wadiana straw ruongo. Ukanywa nayo nginya cai.
Aciana cia nyino irenda na cio cihe igucie na straw.
Hegude kengithe.
Egude.
Ukariga no straw de nyua ke ndo kiyu no ikugurukie. Kanywa mae maige. Tondu na straw. Straw no katene.
Hapana.
You see me growing up here in Nairobi nito na straw in the 90s. Yes.
90s.
Yes.
Straw.
Watikodo guothe kwe duka cietago Wimpy. Wimpy is the new the equivalent of what KFC and Chicken and Naishire Wagalito. New neo ya ugaga. They used to sell burgers. Yes. Na twashirora hiro is yoni twashiria thutha muno. Ni mari straw area dugu area nyua yoga. Area jiro. Iyo na reu ndira kinya.
Nyua smoothie.
Yes. And nyua cieto cocktails. Yes.
Eo ginya thais rogongori.
The black one.
Bado.
Na hestro cieko gwa kegi. Ogikai ginya hanini ri. Nigatukaga kaigiria riera. Hey, straw cioko ro guo ri. Ithu twaciro gota guku tutukaine. Ugacinyitithania igatuika kiraihu kimwe. Yes. They were fascinating. Straw.
rugongo stro itinoka tene
kwaje ruki no stro na wagucagia soda ginyanya kendo kigwa
ithiere koindekereria chupa yo nyene
yes kona muthuri na bitarimun tene ona stro korio tiri nikio ranywa soda go kae muru waru so it was in stro umotene and they were not high moving consumables nito ruko sedi to tua katika pack
yes ka bagiti
na ka boost ka ruko sedi to juice to nito ina stro ke oka na gigo irenyo ko yo atutetra pack ogeka atia
ogatobokia
tutiakinyia rugongo mu na twakinya juice
Asa tu na tu tituete neguka
na tuikinya rugongo ri nikugete ringanisha nyingi tira ibene ya origin niskwage ira tuingie piu yes na kangia ko kana kamunyore hey
stro you know ona ihuthira ria kuria mbere ria stro
yes
ni amba gukanja
yes
uri obatie kugucia
yes
kumbe operate
na mundu wena ero ya stro yo gari ekira oil
lana
darigaga tondu ni amenyerete ku gulp ni
gokundokia
riu ni agia kindu kiraregulate riu ni wona guku makai mahondoka akingengana arahia soda ki
nigetha arahia soda kanua aje na mauga imenyeretwo ni andu aria moe abundance
yes
kwaja soda
na andu amite ya Nairobi tondu wanu weke ugia gurirwo soda rugongo it was a race against time utana tunywo kana hoywo
ona no gurirwo gucoke all of a sudden kume mana mangi ona kuwirwe he ukinywa othe nduhi akario magaire nabe
na nikio riu ukari wari natural thiini witu tondu wagura soda ugathie thutha wake
ukehitha ni guthonywe yothe
ni Wewe ko kiaba ukorio ni kwa ndege you see mana ni wenda giria ihe iria ingegua muno ka twire tu merece atiriri tukorirwo mundu soda igiri soda igiri
yana ni ugia guthire miaka iri utari wanywa soda
that is very true
or even more
yes wega proper let alone reus true kwaja soda hehu andu mamanywa moka kwandikwo Nairobi Korada
hehu
gwe soda cia thiria cietagwo cia kuguru
ni softer
ile yakuo
I have not run into one recently
softer ene dukari wagore matia kweaga strong what the head no yage offer ya hari buy one
get one free
yes Emo gora mo atenu tuna soda icio igi yes tia na heroes true
ego
JKA iko wima
iko imara
imesimama kidete
JKA imesija
na tumesija leure yes it's the holidays again yes jana si mesie
riu tigare mareka kigeranio gya KCSE ri
yes
ngine wote wako nyumbani
ito keeps here the KJC we are successfully completed ya me KCSE ni omeke
me thukuru
yes and there is a trend nowadays okoraga riri families do maundu mathia maivo over time thukuru wa hingwo ri nĩ mabangaga how the holiday is going to be enjoyed. Underline the word enjoyed tondũ tũgũcoka handũ
hau abonyite hau
kurura enjoy ũkaigua rĩu okorwo nĩ mũbangĩte depending on the financial might mũkaigua part of the holiday. Christmas no mũthiĩ Mombatha, mũthiĩ Nanyuki, mũthiĩ Naivasha, no muge mũthiĩ picnic kana mũtwarwo handũ mĩcuha-inĩ. Yes.
Na wiki ĩngĩ naguo mũthiĩ kũndũ kũngĩ.
Yes.
Mũthiĩ mũgacerere andũ anyu some other activity.
Absolutely, just to break off from the ordinary, from the normal. Yes.
Na nĩ gũkĩrĩ nginya mathiaga nja wa bũrũri.
Aingĩ.
No acio ti aingĩ.
No, I have a friend of mine, ciana ciake nĩ ihea ciakwa pressure njũru mũno. They go, they visit 3 countries.
Imagine.
Yes. Magathiĩ Mallorca, Spain. Ũkaigua nĩ acio mathiĩ Lisbon. Yes. Makarekeria na gũcerera andũ ao kũrĩa Dallas.
Na nginya andũ Dallas.
Yes. Na hĩndĩ yakwa mathiĩte mũkerenjo iego marumi.
Na magacokerithia.
Na thikũ igĩrĩ Mombatha. Never mind.
Maũndũ matihananaga na andũ matihanaine.
Absolutely. Rwĩmbo tũinaga atĩ and the way to be happy is to make a little heaven down here. Yes, I'm happy today. Growing up, nĩ twacoka harĩ kiugo kĩrĩa enjoy. Holidays were not enjoyed, they were endured. Mwaiga thukuru. The very first weekend, the Ministry of Labor
would take over
and move with
speed
to identify the labor crisis that has been openly identified during the school term. Yes. The workers workers that were not unionizable.
Nicio ciana cia mũciĩ ũcio.
Yes. Nĩ magayagĩrwo mawĩra makukata na shoka. Manual labor distribution began as soon as you close school. Yes. And sometimes it would be either local or you would be ferried
to provide free labor,
which is in labor terms called foreign expatriate. Especially for your rich uncles who would be identified to have supported your education journey, you would pay back with your sweat. Yes. Wakora wira ni wajia kugaiwo. They would cluster you.
Wira ni mubange.
Na gutiare union to kwa the union. Amo itutoge na pension ta. Yama wira maria tu anaruta.
Togiabetie kuiga pension tene.
We would be pensionable. Yes. Mukaigwa holiday magutire muthenya omwe. Wa guikara oguo, okay?
Atide.
Yes, that one was very common.
Ate ikarete oguo de. Gutiri undu ureka. Ate you are relaxing.
Ate we are ta jagathi. It would even pain the system. Your relaxation would pain the system.
Makari guoneke oikarete oguo neke.
Yes. Atengania mathire gwa tata. Weka atia.
Gucera.
Kuma wera.
Asa.
Oguo guikara fue. Gofurera. Ndakiuga atiriri thie umere yo no tengere matige matwira ng'ombe ciaku. Some of us kwa igua thukuru na ndaumiraga ni wira kuingiha ti mũgũnda ti maĩ ti ng'ombe cio ciarutaga iria drop ya o mwana ũrĩa mũnini
ti gũthiĩ rũruti nako.
Yes. No, there was unadungia imagine ate kwendo maiga thukuru magathie vacation.
The vacation.
To vacate and to go where?
Vacation.
To where?
To do what?
With whose money? who are you employed? Nekore hore hagu.
Ona nitogia rigiro kando wa mwatho ukomire ri.
Yes. Ati mwathie mubata guikara to fethi.
The vacation.
Actually, back in the days holidays near the enjoying, leisure had to be very closely knit and married to job. Okora itheria roweine utuvere ke.
Utuvere o kire ithagia.
It's a working holiday.
Wajongia hingire thukuru riu ta holiday no ya kurikia mwaka.
Yes.
Ucoka uigua ati he handu thogu eriga gukombora mugunda. No mugunda ucio nduri warimwo.
Now that was Cairo, Misri during the days of Moses.
Tondu kwaja kaingi migunda ya gukomborwo ri. Wakorapo anduri hakuhi na mucie kwanyu. Uguo ni handu muthiaga gathabari.
Yes.
Migunda neo yari mihiju.
Ni migunda ya Thodomo. Ya kuraga ruthiro
na ithaje. Riu kundu ku mungigatua mugunda ucio Arabu.
Yes.
Wira uria murutite ku.
What are you saying? Mumenye mugothi mukuanecia githeri kianyu. Iyo riu niyo yari camping. And you see, migunda yakoro kuria kianda-ini biu. Yes. Ona mugewire mbuzi mundu ungimuigua. You would go on a one mission. Wira ucio
urike.
Yes.
Akora manyekire ku mukeuria mama guku ni ithuĩ turahura hianyu.
Ngai ukona thangarima.
Wakeigua atongiura kwanyu.
Mwacoka mwekira tiri-ini ri. Mugathie na hope. Ati nigega atia?
Nige kamera.
Yes. Kuona maita maria maingire. Kiria mwahanda kuu ri giacoka utuika irio ciake cia ng'ombe. Tigo probably ta mukondo na muhembe. No cio mwene mugunda ni oka akagetha mutoi.
Na rimwe mukahandiriria ithara cigana ona.
Yes. Na rimwe wakora inyono nyu mukomborete guko guothe ni mutitu. Even getting there is a voyage, is an exploration.
Na wako ni mwahanda ona ni ciagia.
Yes.
There nacio igoka.
Yes. Kana huko re. No huko ni igwa gutire human activity.
Yes.
Sigai no okay.
Ku na ku huko cia hana cia muito.
Yes. Mukaruta wira, and you would do that season after season. That was the epitome of living on hope. Yes.
Kana gwitu kwa macani no amenyaga riu we.
Yes.
Tiga sande gwo guthio kanitho ri honokaga kigara kia macani.
Yes. Yakura kwando mapurifaga gwi thukuru.
Gukira kwi holiday.
Yes. Tondu kwi holiday ma. You know, you are literally a child laborer.
A serious one.
Serious one. Oh, you run the economy of the family. Aikiona iye cia tu akuhomuka cia thiamite iguru away from the human.
Ai. Ndukona ke uikarite de.
Na gutiare kwaku kwega. Thie gwacio uguo. Ona ni weka wega ni guka. Thie gwa tata guo. Thie gwa miguo munini. Makore kianda.
Makore muda bionyo na manyitithie mbere ngima.
Yes. Over the lucky ones my relatives Nyairovi. Rimwe ni mwetagio. Mukagia invitation to ando invite wo murimu. Mukagia na host Nairobi. Mwakiheo visa. Mwayo visa au kana Nairovi ire. Ni mwaikara ku starehe mutare muona. Nginya mukiendia guikara ke.
Guikara Nairobi. Kundu gutathia wo mugunda.
Yes. No, Ministry of Labor wogon. Ni aikara go identify a gaping hole in the labor system.
Yes.
Mukari koro.
Vacation yanyu ri.
Yes.
Is cut short.
Na nimwamenyaga muonete mami wanyuka. Mukamenya gũkũ ri.
Gũkũ tũraco.
Na noka kuroria tuhana. Nĩ njaguti ciagĩrwo. Nĩ barabuja.
Ona gũkũ kahũmbu kwĩ nguo ciaku ikũhũrĩtwo.
Yes.
Karĩ nyũmũ.
Na nĩ ciatũmanagwo thiĩte. Yes.
Kana ona maitũgua ka insist nĩ mũkua itarĩ nyũmũ. Nĩ igũthi kũmĩra mũciĩ.
Mũkahoya mwathani tata wanyu arũgame na inyuĩ. Auge reke maikare narĩ kiumia. We nawe. No mũkĩigua uga atĩ ndũgona ndũngĩareka marare. Hai curu.
Amenya bas.
You are back to the concentration camp.
Your host has signed your papers.
Ni mwacoka prison, karibuni prison ni yenyu. Relaxation ile. Was a word we used to read in novels.